To change piece info within TUKAmark, select the piece, then click Piece Info. Please note that changes made to the piece info in TUKAmark will not be applied back to the Tuka design style file. To apply piece info changes to all sizes of the selected piece, make sure the Apply to All Sizes option is ticked on. Otherwise, the changes will only apply to the selected size. In the Piece Info dialog, change the piece name, code, description, or material for the selected piece. Below this, the system displays the area of the piece in square feet, the perimeter in inches, and the total length and width in X and Y. Change the opposite piece, or side definition. Change the rotation allowance, for example, from 2-way to 1-way. Use the max tilt option to enter the maximum angle in degrees the piece can be rotated on the marker. This can result in better marker efficiency, but should be used carefully to maintain good cutting quality. Tick on the Folding Allowed option, so a half piece can be placed on the folded edge of a tubular marker. Tick on the Locked Piece option, to prevent the piece from being brought down onto the marker. The total quantity refers to the total number of this piece, in this size, for the entire marker order. Use this field to add extra pieces of this size to the marker. The Per Bundle field displays how many of this piece belong to a single bundle. Click Apply to apply the piece info changes to the piece. Leave the dialog open and select another piece, either from the marker work area or from the pieces list.